Preparation before installation. Electric drill, crosshead driver, measuring tape, pencil, and so on. Check before installation. Check the electrical environment of machinery. Check the hole size, height, width, and depth of cabinet. Check if the cabinet door size meets the request of installation. The upper part of cabinet should be 1 cm lower than cabinet. Check the refrigerator accessories. Installation. If the door direction doesn't meet your requirement during installation, you can change the door direction and no need for extra accessories. Remove the display fixed panel and hinge. The door hinge can be diagonal interchanged. Install display fixed panel to the other side. Tighten the hinge screw. Install the door and unite the door hinge, then fastened by screws. Door direction changing way of freezer door is the same of refrigerator door. To fix the front top panel on the top of refrigerator, connect the power supply to embed the refrigerator into cabinet and push it to the place for about 4/5 of the cabinet. Install the limited fixed plate on the hinge. Then push the refrigerator completely into cabinet. The hinge block fixed plate should be flush with cabinet side. Install the screws of hinge and front feet. Measure the distance between the hanger on refrigerator door and the upper part of cabinet. Also, the distance between that and the left side of cabinet. Record the point location. Remove the upper hanger. Then measure the point location of hanger on the cabinet door. Then fixate with screw. Hang the cabinet door on the refrigerator door. Tighten the screw and close the cabinet door. Check the gap between cabinet door and body. Check the flatness of cabinet door. Adjust the gap and flatness by adjustable bolt. Then, fix the bottom fixed plate and the cabinet door. Installation method of the bottom door is same with the upper door. Finally, put the trim strip at the gap. It is ready to use after debugging well. If you have any questions for above installation instruction, please call our after-sales service. Answer your questions in time.